Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hope. My family and I just bought a fixer-upper and we've been working on getting it put together for the last month or two. We finally moved in and this video is going to be a messy, real-life move-in tour, as well as me showing you what we've done with our master bath, which is my favorite part of the house. And please hit that subscribe button if you like today's video.
First load of stuff in the house, mostly Mason stuff, but we're gonna do some cleaning upstairs today. And first thing I'm going to do is put pine salt in all the bathrooms, in the tubs, and I'm going to let that sit in there for a little while. And I've got to take the tape off of the doors so that I can see my trim job. I'm a little bit nervous, but we'll see how that went. And ooh, they look much better white than they did before. I'll show you downstairs what they looked like before. Okay, so this is the storage stuff. And then also, I'm gonna be painting these doors this week while we're home. So I can't paint the front door, obviously, because that part is blue, but I'm gonna be painting this part white, like I did the upstairs doors. So that will get done. And then this is the laundry room situation. So that's the only thing about this laundry room that's kind of frustrating, is that here is, yeah, that's how we're rolling. This is the laundry area, and then if you flip around, boys, if you flip around, you can see that this is also the downstairs bathroom. So when we bought these toilets, we bought them with the top flush because we thought that was good. We liked that. But they didn't fit. So in this bathroom and the bathroom upstairs, we actually had to cut the countertop in order to make it fit. So that's what we're working with, which means that during this quarantine, we will definitely be hopefully having the time to, hopefully being, that's my life, guys. We will hopefully have the time to go through and I don't know what we have to do, that spackle it and paint it and doing all that. I just know that I need to paint it because it's driving me crazy. And the upstairs is like that as well. And then this door will be painted white. And then I'm gonna paint this door white. Swing you around. I'm gonna also paint this door white. And then the last door that needs to be painted white is this door. So I really want to get all of the rest of the house finished, getting cleaned up and put together so that I can start painting the doors and they'll be ready to go by next Friday, hopefully. Tell me, you guys, how long did it take you to move when you moved last? Because I feel like we have taken so long to move. Let's put the pine salt in the bathtubs. Whoa, good job.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come
going to be assembling the chandeliers. I got these chandeliers from Amazon, and I actually got 2 of them. I put one in the master bath and one in the master closet because I wanted them to match. Paul was not a huge fan of them, but I think they look so pretty, and I think that once they were up, he actually didn't mind them. However, he's told me no more chandeliers in the house. Now, they weren't that expensive. They were about $27. I think they've gone up to $32 now, but you do have to assemble them, and they're really not that hard. They come with these little tiny jump rings, and they come in the little bags, which I was separating out. And so you start with the first bag, which was, I believe, A, and then you work your way in with B, C, and then D. So there is instructions. They're really easy. Like I said, I got 2 of them, and it took me maybe 25-30 minutes to do both of them. Then Paul went and installed them, and they look so beautiful. I can't wait for you to see the end result. It's been kind of hard for me to get the shine off of them, though, because my camera doesn't have a flash for recording, but they sparkle and shine so much. Also, you can see that they hang from what looks kind of like a mirror, and so when you look up, it looks like there's just crystals to go for days. I highly recommend these, and I will have them linked in the description box below.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud 9? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart.
This was the amazing light fixture that was in the house originally. I think it's literally from 1981 when they built the house, but the house had been painted when we were changing out that light fixture. There's the old nasty shower head, and there's Paul in the bathtub. Obviously, this is before I doused the bathtub in Pine Sol, but I just wanted to show you guys. If you want to see what it looked like before with the brown gray floors and the beige paint, definitely check out the video that is going to go across the top right now in the box, and you can click on that in order to get to the entire house before we started doing anything to it, and it's completely different now. If you guys want to know what the paint color is, it's Sherwin-Williams Repose Gray. And I love this color. You're going to notice that it looks different in every single room of the house, and that's why I love it. Paul's just going to put the chandelier up, and we're going to get back to some music.
It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you.
It's safe to say that I am completely obsessed with this part of the house, but I need to tell you guys that I do not recommend that shelf. It is gorgeous, but it's from Home Depot and it was $100, and Paul had to sort of jerry-rig it to the wall and do all sorts of crazy things because it didn't want to hold. This shower head I do recommend. It's a Moen. It was actually really cheap, like $50, and we put them in both showers. It is amazing. I also wanted to show you what it looks like at night in the bath, because that is my favorite way to use this bathroom. I do have plants in here, and I'd like to know if you guys put plants in your bathrooms too. Paul thinks that's really weird. If you like today's video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments below. I would actually like to ask you guys a question, and I'd like to know what your state is doing right now. Are you guys on lockdown? Are you in shelter in place? I'm from California. We've been in shelter in place for 2 weeks, and so I'm just curious on how everybody else is handling the situation. Okay, guys, I'm going to see you next week. Stay safe. Love you. Bye.